Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of October for the sign Pisces water sign. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Pisces, two cards. Pisces, your recent past. High Priestess. Seven of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. I think one person in this connection is intuitive. Definitely they are trusting their intuition. And Seven of Wands. I think one person holding back their feelings and one person stand by their power. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. One person is holding back their feelings. It could be your person and you stand by your power, or your person maybe stand by their power and they are holding back their feelings. Definitely there is no communication and less communication between both of you, because Four of Pentacles with Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you are not in contact. One person is very defensive. Seven of Wands. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Pisces. Knight of Cups. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Two of Cups. Page of Cups. Nine of Wands. Yeah, one person in this connection like Four of Pentacles with the Nine of Wands. They are guarded up and they are not expressing their feelings. They put their walls up. They put their guards up also, because I think there is no one person is very expressive in this connection and one person is not. But the other person want to say apologize to the other person for what they did to you, because they feel they have strong emotions for the other person and they want to offer their cup of love to their person. Two of Cups. Definitely both love each other. There is equal love between both of you. But I think it could be your person maybe holding back their feelings. Pisces. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. The Sun. King of Wands. Queen of Swords. Knight of Wands. Under the deck, Two of Wands. Yeah, I think for some it could be third party situation also, for some children's involved. I think definitely your person want this connection, but I think you are in and out in their life. I am getting Knight of Wands. There is passion. Your person want this connection, but they are holding back their feelings because there is no equal give and take. I think there is no commitment from your side. Pisces. For energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation, because King of Wands with Queen of Swords. Definitely your person actions cards like this. They cut you off because Queen of Swords, there is no communication. Here Four of Pentacles with Nine of Wands. Definitely your person stand by their power. Your person 90% could be fire sign, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely they want this connection, but they deserve best. That's why they cut you off, because you are not putting as much as effort as they put in this connection. That's why they are not communicating with you. Even though they want this connection, they are holding back their feelings. So let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection. Pisces, where it is headed, your connection. Flowering, Queen of Pentacles. Patience, Seven of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Nine of Cups, The Fool, new beginning. Yeah, you both want this connection, you both wishing for this connection, but one person in this connection is investing more, and they are very sharing and very caring and sharing. And Seven of Patience means, yeah, one person is very patient, but one person is still only taking, they are not giving. I think it could be your person, maybe energy could be vice versa. Definitely the Fool. So definitely you both want new beginning. Definitely there is a chance for new beginning in this connection. Yeah, another day letting go. Yeah, your person walked away maybe from you. So Spices, your person want this connection, but they want equal give and take. It's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Spices. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.